Repair minor tears in leather and vinyl before they spread with the 3M Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit. Read the directions for use that come with the kit and follow the safety precautions carefully. First, clean the damaged area using a non-soapy cleaner. If the repair is greater than 1/4 inch, use the included backing fabric to provide support for the repair compound. Cut it slightly larger than the damage and insert the fabric into and under the damage. Use the vinyl adhesive to glue the backing fabric in place. Select the grain paper closest to that of your damaged leather or vinyl and draw the approximate shape of the hole on the back. For deep damages, use the spatula to apply small amounts of the vinyl adhesive into the damaged area until the surface is level. This adhesive requires a 4-hour dry time. Use the included mixing guide to mix a batch of repair compound that matches your car's upholstery. Apply the color repair compound. Spread a thin layer smoothly and evenly and wipe up any excess. Place the grain paper previously chosen on the repair and warm up the heat transfer tool on a hot iron. Transfer the heat through the grain pattern to cure the compound, turning the heat tool in a circular motion. With this kit, you don't have to ride around with rips, tears, and burns in your leather or vinyl.